blue ticket, I believe. That's the blue. Back up. Devin. $177. Ticket winner. I have that coffee can right there. Blue ticket. This is the blue ticket. Ticket number 655-449. 655-449. He's a good friend of mine. I had nothing to do with this, I swear to God. 655-449.
My streak continues. I've never won. I've never won. I was sort of close. About 30 numbers off on that.
449, not 549. 655. Nice try, Joe. 655-449. $177. Oh my gosh. Donating half of it back to the fishing house. Thank you. Thank you so much for your generosity. That's incredible. Okay, the next raffle giveaway is the sports collection with the Mickey Stanley autographed print. The Red Wings, Howard, our goalie, and another Red Wings, a beautiful, what's that guy, Konstantinov? The guy that got hurt? Yeah, that got hurt so bad. He's still part of our team and our hearts, and we think about him often, but this is for the sports memorabilia. So Isla, pick a ticket. This is the orange ticket. Orange ticket for the sports memorabilia. 007-2947. 007-2947. 007-2947 for the sports memorabilia. Okay, we're going to put it aside, and if we don't get somebody to come up, we'll draw another one for that. What's the next one there? The TVs. One of the families in the church donated the 50-inch Samsung Smart TV, and another family donated the 24-inch LG TV. This, you get them both. Hopefully you only gave $1. I don't know. You might win them both for $1, you know. So this is for the televisions. This is for the pink ticket. You got a pink ticket. Number 315-180. 315-180. The television. There you go. There you go. I quite know who gets which TV.
Oh, I wouldn't do that.
Okay, guys, this next one is for this incredible veterans table that my friend Scott made from scratch. He made it by hand. And a lot of people have been looking, even taking pictures of it. And wow, I mean, I thank him so much for what all you've done for that and what you've done for me today, for the church. So that's our next raffle. Isla, pick the ticket. It's a yellow ticket. Yellow ticket for the table. 520070. 520070. Buddy Johnson. Look at that. That's a new friend of the church. Look at that. the Yeti look-alike cooler, the Ford GT wall model from the dealership, and the travel certificate from Near and Far Travel by Teresa.
Yeah, you know the feature? So
$50 certificate. Let me tell you, if you got any travel, especially Disney World, she specializes in Disney World trips. You can't buy it as cheap online, but she can get it for you. Anywhere you want to go, give it to Teresa. She's got cards up here. Grab a card if you're thinking about traveling, but give it to Teresa if you would. What do you got, Isla? That's the last one. Okay. This is for the cooler, the well model, and the travel certificate. This is the pink ticket with the red stripe, the dark pink stripe. It's got a stripe on it. Pink ticket with a stripe on it. Number 315-112. 315-112. And now we're going to have the quilt manual presentation that someone wrote through me, and we got Carol. So just step through here, give us in here, highlight it.